Hello everybody, this is a Thomas the Tank and Friends Wooden Railway discussion on the old style Henry. Now I think Henry is a good model. Henry's kind of one of my favorite characters. The only thing I just kind of get bugged by Henry is the fact that he has trouble with coal, and he almost breaks down every time he tries to attempt a train. Either he crashes or breaks down. So if you look at this model of the old style Henry, you would see that he's pretty beaten up. There's some edgewear along the side here, some edgewear there, and here. Yeah. If you look at his tender, the weird thing about his tender is that they changed his tender from a loop from two sides just to a loop from one side. But the loop is longer. And somehow, for some reason, they made painted coal in the old days, and also made it darker. But it kind of shines on the light from this room here. So yeah, I bought this Henry off of eBay for $5.99. It also came with a Gordon and an Edward. So, enough talking about this Henry. Let's start comparing with the new model. Sorry about all these things here. The face, I gotta say, is one of the huge differences of these two Henrys. If you look, this face is closer to the TV series than this face, but still, this face still doesn't get it too much. So I would just say that neither of the faces would get 100%. Here, edgewear on this Henry, I tried to redo it with a Sharpie marker. Didn't go so good. And here, if you want to keep your engines clean from looking this dirty, here's a tip. Never let me have any of your engines. So there are lines here, and also this is a square here, and over here the square's connected to the line here. Like, I think the only color besides green and black on here is this red. So basically the old style Henry is just green, black, and red. Well, this Henry is green, black, red. Is that a maroonish color? Wait, let me look. Hey, it actually is darker. Huh. He has a plastic funnel, so if I drop him, no marks are done. Drop him, a mark is done. For some reason, like, the funnel remained from accidents. No biggie. The lines here are thicker than those lines. There's yellow outlining for this one. Well, this one is just black. Look on the bottom. So it says Henry there, and a code, and nothing on here besides these little staple thingies. Well, they're not staples, but You get my meaning. This Henry obviously is dated 2003, but just to let you proof, I can't really show it. Something weird I would say about the old style Henry is when I look at the dates. Here it says 1998, but here on his Tinder, it says 1997. So either that it's a factory error, or they normally make all Henrys like this, or the seller who sold this on eBay. The seller who sold this on eBay probably had a 1998 and a 1997 Henry, never looked on the wheels, and just got them mixed up. Put it on the side. So you're probably also wondering, how did I manage to get my hands on this Henry instead of getting a CGI face Henry? Well, you see, my dad got me this Gordon, which I apparently lost the tender to him. He also has a drawer, so he's in the stem. So I just went to Barnes & Noble, just grabbed him off the shelf, bought him, and then didn't look at his face until I got home, and then I just noticed that he was this face. It was really weird, because I thought they stopped selling engines with these kind of faces and started selling engines like these. Also, something I noticed with Mavis is that they haven't changed her face ever since she was first released. But this not about Mavis here, so getting back onto the main topic. You're probably wondering again, which one of these am I going to use in my series? Well, I'm going to use this Henry. He just shines in the bright light. Like, I just think he's cool. I wouldn't use this Henry, obviously. Well, he doesn't do anything. Before I got Flying Scotsman, I used to pretend he is the Flying Scotsman. Like, I would get both tenders and pretend, "Hello, Gordon, I'm your brother, the Flying Scotsman. Why, hello, I've missed you, Flying Scotsman." Yeah, kind of like that or something. So I guess this is my Thomas Monroe discussion on the two Henrys. Well, mostly the old style Henry. So goodbye and thanks for watching.